Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Good morning, dear.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Now keep quiet and now listen to me. In previous class, we have studied about time and tense. Now, you tell me whatever we have studied in previous classes. Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Let us start today's session. Today, we are going to start to learn about tense. As we know, tense has four kinds. There are three types of tenses: present, past, and future. Okay, any doubt? Tense.
Sir,
Yes.
सर वीडियो पॉज हो गया है।
No.
सर वीडियो नहीं आ रहा।
वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है।
आने लगा सर।
आने लगा।
यस सर।
ओके। Now is it clear? Any doubt? Listen. There are three types of tenses. First one is past, present, and future tense. Present tense and past tense, future tense. Each tense has four kinds. First one is simple. Second one is continuous. Third one is perfect. Fourth one is
Perfect continuous.
perfect. Simple present means present indefinite. Simple present tense are present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. In the same way, past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Future indefinite tense, future perfect tense, future continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Is it clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now you tell me, do you remember the auxiliary verb of each tenses?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let us start. Let us start how to translate the sentences with the help of structures. First of all, we are going to start to learn about present tense, then past tense, and then future tense. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
the identification of the present indefinite tense, or you may say simple present tense. What is this? How will we identify after looking the sentences that this sentence has been written in which tense, or you may say this sentence has been written in simple present tense? कोई बताएगा?
Plus
Now tell me.
first
Tell me.
वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म होगा
Identify the simple present tense.
सब्जेक्ट प्लस
is plus
वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म SAES प्लस
Okay.
ऑब्जेक्ट
Okay. The structure of the simple present tense is, first of all, identification of the simple present tense is in Hindi ता है, ती है, ते है. जब किसी भी सेंटेंस के अंत में किसी भी हिंदी सेंटेंस के किसी भी, प्लीज डोंट स्पीक, लिसन टू मी. जब किसी भी हिंदी सेंटेंस के अंत में ता है, ती है, ते है आता है तो उसे हम प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस कहते हैं. ठीक है? ता है, ती है, ते है, आता है, तो उस तरह के सेंटेंस को हम, हिंदी के सेंटेंस को हम कह सकते हैं कि यह सेंटेंस हमारा प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस में लिखा हुआ है. जैसे वह आम खाता है. ठीक है? देयर इज ए नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम. जैसे वह आम खाता है, यानी कि किसी भी सेंटेंस के बीच में वह आम खाता है, वह सोता है, वह जाता है, वह खेलता है, अंत में जहां भी ता है, ती है, ते है आता है, उसे हम कह सकते हैं कि यह सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस के का है. लेकिन हिंदी में ता है, ती है, ते है, इसको हम आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. आप ये बताइए कि अगर सेंटेंस हमारा अंग्रेजी में लिखा हो तो हम कैसे पहचानेंगे कि ये सेंटेंस किस टेंस का है?
सर इज हमारे प्लस वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म.
का फर्स्ट
नहीं इधर एम थोड़ी लगता है.
सर सब्जेक्ट प्लस वी
वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म SAES
ऑब्जेक्ट लगता है.
Yes. It means, listen to me, it means we can say that with the help of auxiliary verb or helping verb we can identify the sentence that is written in English. We can say that this sentence has been written in present indefinite tense. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Now the structure is very important thing, and listen. Subject, verb first form,
वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म
SRES
SAES
plus object.
ऑब्जेक्ट.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
SRES we will use according to the subject. SRES will be add to the verb according to the subject. If the subject is in first form or second form, according to that to SRES. Okay,
yes.
this is the structure of present indefinite tense, simple present tense. The structure of negative, the structure of negative sentence is subject plus
Does
do or does
plus not.
plus
Not.
not plus
There plus
verb first
Object.
form plus object.
plus
Very simple structure is there, and structure should be in our mind. Okay,
yes, sir.
this is the
Yes,
this structure shows the negative sentence. Just I will come with the help of examples. Third one is yes or no answer type question.
Good.
Interrogative sentence.
Third one is yes or no. Listen, there are quite difference between yes or no answer type question and interrogative sentence. Okay, yes or no answer type question means कि if the question is asking yes or no, and the receiver of the question is bound to respond the answer of the question in yes or no. For example, do you want to do this? Do you want to do this? क्या आप इसे करना चाहते हैं? Sentence yes or no. It is up to the speaker that he or she will add the sentence. If he is not adding any extra sentences and he is responding in yes or no, it means the answer is correct. There is no doubt. And the structure of yes or no answer type question is, first of all we will use auxiliary verb. Try to understand. First of all we will use auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb means helping verb plus subject plus in bracket not, listen, don't speak, listen to me, in bracket not plus verb first form plus object question mark. Okay, this is called yes or no answer type question. Yes or no. Board is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My voice is clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
Yes, sir.
listen to me and look at the board. Okay, this
Yes, sir.
structure shows yes or no answer type question. Okay, another is interrogative sentence, means WH word type question. WH word type question. WH word type question. So WH word plus
Actually,
auxiliary verb plus subject not in bracket verb first form plus object. Now be careful. In both sentences here, I have mentioned there not in bracket. This structure works two things. If the sentence is in yes or no answer type question without negative, then we will not use not. If sentence has negative sense in that particular question, we will use not. Okay, अगर वाक्य में नकारात्मकता है तो वहां पे हम नॉट का यूज करते हैं, और नहीं है तो हम नहीं यूज कर रहे हैं, कीप क्वाइट, तब हम उसे नहीं यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, इस तरीके से आपके सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस और प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस के ये स्ट्रक्चर हैं. And remember, the structure must be on the tip of your tongue. It will very helpful. Tense is the first step. Tense is the first step of grammar to make any type of sentences. With the help of tense, we can learn active and passive voice. We can learn narration. We can learn synthesis, transformation, each and every. Next topic is depend on tense, because everywhere there is a requirement of auxiliary verb, and auxiliary verb must be on the tip of your tongue. Because in everywhere, whether we are talking about simple present tense, we are talking about present continuous tense, we are talking about present perfect continuous tense, the structure will be the structure will be same. Only two things will be differ. First one is auxiliary verb and second one is verb form. As we know, okay, regarding this structure, anyone has doubt?
No, sir.
You may note down these structure of present indefinite tense.
नोट करिए सर.
Okay. Now let us understand with the help of examples. Okay. May I rub it?
Excuse me, sir.
Well,
No, sir.
now you tell me, do you have any example in your mind right now regarding present indefinite tense? With the help of that example, we can learn the structure.
Sir, Ram writes a letter.
Ram writes a letter.
I go.
Ram writes a letter. Okay. Ram writes a letter. This sentence shows simple present indefinite tense. My voice is clear now?
वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है.
Now is it clear?
वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है.
Now is it clear?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Ram writes a letter. As you have given me a sentence, Ram writes a letter. Here this sentence shows the simple. This sentence shows that this sentence has been written in simple present tense. Why? Because es has been added in verb first form. Because your subject is in singular. Ram writes a letter. Second one is
Sir, video नहीं.
Ram does not write a letter. Okay. There is one confusion already.
Yes नहीं लगे sir.
There is one confusion. I have already told you that there are do or does. So how and where we will use do and where we will use does.
Right में S नहीं लगेगा sir.
Eh?
Right में
Where
S.
we add SES with verb, we use does.
No. Where we will use does and where we will use do.
Sir, does
सर सिंगुलर के साथ डज और फिर प्लूरल के साथ डू.
Plural
Singular के साथ does.
I
we
do not
I read they के साथ
write
I we you they के साथ
I do not write a letter. This I is singular or plural? This I is singular.
Singular.
Now rule is there. First person, second person. First person, second person, with we will use do, and third person with third person we will use does. I, we, first person, second person is you, third person is he, she, it, name, and they. They means plural. Plural. I, we, you refers to first person. You refers to second person. He, she, it, name, and they refers to third person. So wherever third person will come in the sentence, we will use does, and where first person and second person will come, we will use do. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Good.
सर दे तो प्लूरल हो जाएगा ना.
हाँ, they is plural. Yes, they is plural. तो दे के साथ हम डू का यूज करेंगे. दे के साथ हम डू का प्रयोग करेंगे. ठीक है.
Excuse me, sir.
अच्छा, एक चीज बताओ.
hear your voice clearly, sir.
Listen to me. One thing.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर ये जो आप अफर्मेटिव और निगेटिव के बाद जो दो बताए वो पहले हमें सर ने इंट्रोगेटिव निगेटिव में बताया था.
क्या चीज फिर से बोलो.
सर पहला मतलब सिंपल प्रेजेंट में पहला अफर्मेटिव होता है, फिर दूसरा निगेटिव.
हाँ.
और उसके बाद सर हमें इंट्रोगेटिव बताए थे, एक हेल्पिंग वर्ब टाइप का और एक WH टाइप का.
WH वर्ड टाइप का. हाँ, सही है.
और फिर उसके बाद एक और उसके बाद एक इंट्रोगेटिव निगेटिव था.
हाँ.
जिसमें भी मतलब पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब टाइप का था और फिर WH टाइप का.
हाँ, सही है. यानी कि आप ये देखिए
सर
ना,
वो भी सही है ना.
वो भी सही है और ये भी सही है, और दोनों एक ही चीज है, बस दोनों का अलग अलग तरीका है. इसको हम क्लियर कर देते हैं. Affirmative and negative. Listen to me. Simple sentence and negative sentence. These both sentences are in affirmative. Okay, in affirmative. Yes or no answer type question and WH word type question, it comes under interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence has two kinds. Number one is yes or no answer type question. Number two is WH word type question. Okay. यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट?
No sir.
Means there is no doubt in simple present tense.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Let us start in present continuous tense. Okay. Present continuous tense. इसकी आइडेंटिफिकेशन क्या होगी इन हिंदी सेंटेंस? क्या?
सर सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब आईएनजी
रहा है, रही है,
नहीं,
रहे
अगर
हैं।
हाँ यस, अगर सेंटेंस हमारा यस और नो, सॉरी, अगर सेंटेंस हमारा प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में है और हिंदी में लिखा हुआ है, तो हम उस सेंटेंस को कैसे पहचानेंगे कि यह सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का सेंटेंस है?
लास्ट में रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं
वेरी गुड। रहा है,
टेंस में आता है, उसको प्रेजेंट
रहा
कंटिन्यूअस
है,
कहते हैं।
रही है,
रहे हैं,
रहे हैं, एक्सेट्रा। यानी कि जिस वाक्य के अंत में, जिस हिंदी वाक्य के अंत में रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं आता है, उस वाक्य को हम कह सकते हैं कि यह सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का सेंटेंस है। लेकिन अगर सेंटेंस हमारा इंग्लिश में लिखा होगा तो फिर हम उसको उसके ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब के अकॉर्डिंग हम आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे। कोई डाउट?
नो सर।
अब प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस की ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब क्या है? व्हाट इज द ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब ऑफ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस? What is the auxiliary verb of present continuous tense? The auxiliary verb of present continuous tense is, am, and are.
The problem, so
The auxiliary
yes,
verb,
sir.
the auxiliary verb of present continuous tense is, am, and are. Structure is same. Subject plus is
RM plus IN.
are not in bracket plus verb first form plus
Plus IN.
plus object. Plus object. Okay. Am, first of all let us understand with whom am will stand, with whom is will stand, with whom are is stand. Am stands with I. Is stands for
he, she.
singular. Singular.
The third person. with
And
name.
R stands for plural. ठीक है, ये चीज याद रखो, ही शी इट नहीं, ओनली वन थिंग, एम स्टैंड्स फॉर आई, इज स्टैंड्स फॉर सिंगुलर, आर स्टैंड्स फॉर प्लूरल। ओके,
Yes.
now the simple and negative both structure is in front of you. Subject plus is, am or are, in bracket not why? Because if sentence is in negative form we will use not, if sentence is not in negative form we will not use not. Verb first form plus ing. Verb first form plus ing is also known as verb fourth form. Okay,
Fourth form.
हाँ, verb fourth form. ठीक है, हाँ, there is a lack of, हाँ, verb first form plus ing is also known verb fourth form. First form, second form, third form and fourth form. This structure shows your affirmative sentence. simple and negative both. Second one is yes or no answer type question, means interrogative. Auxiliary verb plus subject plus not in bracket plus verb first form plus object, verb first form plus ing plus object and then question mark. This is A type and this is B type, means we will use W, H, word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object. Okay?
ing नहीं लगेगा सर,
किसमें?
ये WH वाले में।
क्यों नहीं लगेगा? सब में लगेगा। वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing छूट गया है, सब में लगेगा। It is not possible that ing will not be added. ठीक है, जब कंटिन्यूअस है तो ing लगना ही है, बिना ing के हम कंटिन्यूअस नहीं कर सकते हैं। कंटिन्यूअस मतलब द वर्क इज गोइंग ऑन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल राइट नाउ आई एम टीचिंग टू यू, ओके। एलेक्स, जैसे अभी इस समय मौसम रेनी का है, हम कह सकते हैं, एक एग्जांपल हम दे सकते हैं, इट इज रेनिंग इट इज रेनिंग टुडे। ठीक है, इट इज रेनिंग टुडे। अब अगर सेंटेंस को निगेटिव में करना हो तो क्या कहेंगे?
It is
not raining today.
Yes, it is not raining today. It is not raining today. हम यहीं पे not जोड़ सकते हैं। It is not raining today. सेंटेंस अगर हमारा yes or no आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन का है तो हम क्या करेंगे? Is it raining today? Is it raining today? Today. Only one example is there. Example is it is raining today. It is not raining today. Is it raining today? Is it not raining today? How is it raining today? How is it not raining today? With the help of these examples, we can understand how to write the sentences in present continuous tense. Anybody has doubt? Anybody has doubt? Okay, now your time is going to over. Today we have studied present indefinite tense and present continuous tense. Anybody has doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
With the help
No,
of
sir.
with the help of these tense, you try to get exercise with the help of your grammar book, and if you have any doubt, you may ask me. In next session, we will study present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Okay, have a good day.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.